Nandito na tayo ngayon sa napakagandang isla ng Dinagat Islands at dito gaganapin ang RFS Onslaught o ang launching ng pinakabagong extreme sports competition na gagawin sa Pilipinas. So samahan nyo akong ipakita ano nga ba to at iba't iba pang kaganapan dito sa RFS Dinagat Islands. So 1 hour and 30 minutes na biyahe sa ferry at nandito na tayo sa Dinagat Islands. Salamat po!
Core team launched Ride for Solidarity, or RFS, a movement dedicated to transforming Dinagat into a premier eco-adventure destination. RFS aims to develop the province's natural landscapes into world-class venues for enduro racing, surfing, mountain biking, and skateboarding, using sports tourism as a tool for growth. Now, more than just a response to disaster, RFS is a movement of progress, proving that Dinagat is not just a place of survival, but of adventure, strength, and opportunity.
Dinagat Island, ang objective is maging action sport island. So ito yung go-to place natin for major events. So this season 2025, naisip namin for next year magkakaroon tayo ng Hall of Fame. So for example, sa isang team, may representative kayo na enduro.
Ito yung pangkarera.
Tapos
dito sila
starting point, tapos paikot na.
Okay.
Pero usually sa enduro may prologue yung ginagawa sa harap lang yung isa lang, diba?
Pang exhibition din.
This is the first time na mangyari to na nag-engage ng malaking event sa trail. Sa RFS na nag-facilitate na ito. It's a great privilege for us na kami yung napili. Marami talagang salamat. Excited kami at saka masaya kami na nagkaroon ng ganito.
Downhill mountain bike.
Those things that are hungry.
Downhill skates.
As you can see sa likod ko, may mga nagsiskate. Kasi today, magkakanda kami ng skate clinic for the local community. I-share namin yung knowledge and expertise namin tungkol sa skateboarding. So, tara!
And surfing.
That's the boys from Siargao. And they are going to be teaching how to surf. And they brought their soft top longboards and they're ready to go.
For all the series ng iba't ibang discipline, yung team nyo ang champion, you get 10 million pesos at the end of the season. So yun yung gagawin natin para ma-encourage, lumaki yung awareness, mas dumami pa yung members ng community. So abangan nila yun. We'll make that announcement soon. Magpo-post tayo. So we encourage everyone to create their teams and mag-training na mabuti.
Ang maganda dito, isa din sa goal kasi is ma-promote talaga yung Dinagat Islands as a whole. Kasi, syempre, importante din na magkaroon ng tourism sa bawat islands or dito sa Dinagat Islands. So, syempre, mas maraming activities, mas maraming sports, mas maraming tao yung makakapansin ng Dinagat Islands, mas malaki yung tourism para din dun sa community dito sa Dinagat Islands.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. We love Dinagat, we love the community, we love the people, we love the vibe.
Thank you so much, RFS, for believing in me. I will do my very best to fulfill my role as your sport ambassador.
And I'm looking forward for the coming events, especially MTB Enduro race dito sa Dinagat under RFS. Thank you so much, RFS.
Most exciting events dito sa Dinagat at para makilala pa ang isla hindi lang sa Pilipinas but sa buong mundo. Maraming salamat po.
Kung nanonood po kayo sa mga videos na pinapost ko online, marami po dito yung tungkol po talaga sa turismo ng Pilipinas. So mahilig po akong pumunta sa iba't ibang isla katulad ng Siargao, ng Palawan, and I'm very happy to have discovered Dinagat Islands. So not only the beaches are beautiful, but also the sports that you can do here, especially with all the athletes who have showcased it today. Naniniwala po ako na pag napakita po natin yan sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo, mas madami pa po talaga pupuntang tao dito sa Dinagat. So, more success and more power to you, and maraming salamat po.